Hey, good morning guys. I wanted to give you a quick little coaching tip this morning. We're going to talk about the steam table, the one that's on the line that we use to hold backup soups in and ready to serve soups. I know this one in particular that we hold the ready to serve soups in has been wobbling back and forth since I came back to Troy. I was going to show you guys how to fix that this morning. It's very simple. If you turn it over on its side, of course, please unplug it before you do so. But you'll see that it has little legs on the bottom, and these legs tighten and untighten. If you turn it clockwise, it will tighten the leg. If you turn it counterclockwise, it'll untighten the leg. This one in particular had one of the legs was not screwed on properly, so I'm going to screw that in right now. See if I can show you that. This leg down here had literally come unscrewed from the base of the steam table, so I'm just going to tighten that. But if you'll take this end part right here, the legs, and unscrew it or tighten it either way to make all four of these match, which is what I'm going to do right here. This one was out a little too far. Now this one up top matches the one at the bottom. This one at the top will now match this one at the bottom. We can turn it over. No wobbling at all. This kind of stuff drives me crazy. I just wanted to let y'all know, I hope you have a good day. We are here in Troy. Thanks.